Come back from my Euro trip, and I go lots of unboxing in the next upcoming videos. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. It feels almost unreal to have a proper sit down and recording video at home, because I am back from my Euro trip. I was in Europe for more than 2 months, and finally I'm home and I have lots of videos to film for you guys. I'm a little bit still kind of like, you know, jet lagged, a little bit loopy, so if I say something funny, please forgive me. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of the little thingies like that I got on my Hermes shopping and my Longchamp shopping, and then I'm gonna have 2 more upcoming videos, handbags unboxing that I got on my Hermes appointment, leather appointment. And first and most, I want to say guys, thank you for everybody who is still following me when I was like somewhat absent, you know, from proper sit down videos. I post a couple of videos on my kind of like, you know, window shopping inside the Hermes boutiques, because when you go in Paris, it's like the great things about Paris that there is lots of window shopping, and I'm meaning like not only outside, but you can go inside the boutique and they have beautiful display of beautiful handbags properly with the prices. I had a request of checking on some of the prices of the handbags, if it will be available. Some of them were available, some of them don't. So anyway, I have, I believe, 2 videos. One of them, I think it's my either day 1 or day 2, something like that, Paris trip, where I show all my beautiful window shopping. And then there is another day I posted, I believe it's day 4. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do day 5, because it's pretty much repetition of the just beautiful handbags. Please let me know if you want to do another of those window display videos. And today I'm gonna do unboxing of some of the items that I got for myself. Mostly it's Hermes. As I mentioned, I have also another 2 Hermes handbag unboxing, and I have also Longchamp over here, and this is a handbag as well. This is a gift for my daughter. And I'm gonna mention also prices. It's not for the reason to brag, but just like, you know, that you can do comparison between North American and European prices. So the first 2 thingy, they're absolutely identical. You know, it's easy to recognize. Maybe actually this one could be, so this one could be also snapshot for my video. I should smile. So you know, it's Twillys, and they're absolutely identical, and I got these Twillys in the mine for my Hermes Birkin gold on gold that I got last year from my local boutique. If you haven't seen unboxing of that video, please watch it over here. I'm not sure, they kind of a little bit more bluish, but this is the only thing that somewhat with the proper gold color. And here is my handbag, and that's how it's going to be. Not sure if it's, let me actually do at the back and see if it's gonna go look nice. Let me just speed up this process. So this is, I put it on the back. What do you think, guys? There is definitely plenty of blue on these Twillys, but still there is a gold. I hope that it's going to be good enough. If I could find another Twilly that little bit more of the gold color, that would be an option. But That is the Twillies that I got for my Birkin gold on gold, because you know, when it comes to gold color, it's beautiful, but obviously, especially the handles, they are prone to get dirty, and I wanna preserve the handles as much as possible. So the first two thingy is my Twillies for my Birkin. So that's the first items. Then I got this beautiful nail polish. Again, this is more for my daughter, because it's clearly not my cup of tea. And this is gorgeous, gorgeous green color. It's kind of almost like, you know, dark green, kind of more of the teal. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. The name of this color is color number 91, and it's Vert Ecossais, if I pronounce it correctly. So really beautiful color, and as I mentioned, this is for my daughter, because her favorite color is green. So this is her gift. Then I got two more lipsticks, but this is not even lipsticks, it's replacement, and they're not exactly the name of the colors that I have currently in my lipsticks, but I got a couple of lipsticks that per se I don't like. I use them, but they weren't like really my favorite, and in the state of buying the whole things again, I decided just to get a refill, and this one is the color Rose Bois 48 matte, and I think it's beautiful for the spring and summer. And as I said, it's not exactly as the color lipsticks that I have in my current you know, the regular lipstick of Hermes, but I said, you know what, why not? In a state of buying the whole things, I would rather buy just a replacement, because in this case it's going to be less expensive, and I'm gonna get to the price of this little thingy. And the second one is Beige de Tome. It's autumn beige, and I find that it's really beautiful, beautiful neutral, and I thought it's like really beautiful color. It's kind of brownish with the pinkish undertone. So this is totally new colors for me. I didn't try either of this color previously, because previously I always trying to get some kind of beige or like, you know, rouge ash. So this is the little thinnies. So the prices for the Twillies, the price of Twillies are 200 euro. So obviously I got two. Then replacement for the lipsticks are 45 euro each, and the nail polish is 50 each. So that was those little thingies. So the next one is in a big box, and this one I'm very excited to use because I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's also special for this year. So let me just do unboxing of this one. Oops. So you know that it's a pair of shoes. And the special things for these shoes, because you know this year is year 2024, and this collection specifically designed for the Faubourg 24, and that's how they look like. It's a sneakers. I forgot the name. I will put it on the, maybe actually on the receipt it's gonna say the name. I think it's just the same, that the Faubourg 24, something like that collection. So the name is Sneaker Femme Illico Toile de Coton and that's about it. The price of these sneakers is 780 in euro, and one of them is just a black and it says Hermes over there, and the second one, it's also black, but it has this kind of 24 for Borg, and the display also of the flagship store. Up front it's black leather, and the rest it's black fabric. And I thought they are really cool because I can use them even for the winter, or even with the you know, shorts in summer. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I like them so very much, and as I said, because it's also iconic collection specifically designed for the year 2024. So this is the sneakers that I got for myself. This is handbags that I got for my daughter, and let me just say the name of this handbag because I'm not really strong with the Longchamp names. And this is Epure extra small size, and I got it for my daughter because you know, sometimes when I'm buying for her like really expensive Chanel or Hermes pieces, she's not comfortable using them, let's say in university or something, because she doesn't want to be flashy. But I thought this handbag is absolutely perfect for a young girl using at the university, or even just going with the friends for a cup of coffee. And the great things about these handbags that obviously the leather is very, very durable. I love the structure, and it's kind of like, you know, most likely camera won't be able to pick up, but it has a little bit of kind of like imprinting, graining on the leather. Then there is an embossing of the horse right there, and a snap button when it says Longchamp. It also has adjustable strap, so there is several adjustment holes, and inside it's very, very simple construction, and the lining is actually the back of the leather, so it's literally untreated leather inside, just a one pocket. The great things also about this specific model, most likely you won't be able to see it, but it's actually made in France, because you know, quite often also Longchamp is not made in France, sadly, because it's a French brand and I truly believe it should be made in France, but it's not always the case. And here is says cowhide leather and cowhide lining, and that's just a description. And then it says also over here Longchamp made in France. There is also separate card where it says Longchamp made in France. Really, really cute handbag, and my daughter already tried it and she says yes, it's looking really great. And I think it's really nice options, as I said, for somebody who is young. And this great things about this handbags that, you know, it fits your absolute essentials like key, lipstick, earbuds, and say cell phone, etc. It wouldn't fit much, but absolute essential is definitely will be fit in this little handbag. So this is the first video of like 2 extra unboxing coming. As I said, the next 2 videos is going to be unboxing of 2 handbags that I got in Paris, so stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, what do you think? Because to me it's really important. What do you think of this color for this Twilly? Do you think it's too much blue? Because I have another handbag, like, you know, the blue handbags that could be really nice looking with this one, so it's not something that it's a waste. I think I could use it either or, but I think it's also nice options. I think it's nice options for this handbag as well. So that's about it for today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and stay tuned for the next video. So that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.